Hi dear viewers. Today I'm going to share with you a very special recipe of my own. I put together this recipe years ago and has been the family favorite since then. Take 2 large pieces of chicken breast and add all the whole spices into cups of water and let them boil on medium heat. Cool down and shred the chicken into small pieces. Take oil 4 tablespoons oil in a pot. Add chopped onion and stir fry. When onions change color to pink, add cumin seeds 1/2. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger paste. Stir fry on medium heat. Add a chopped tomato or puree. When tomatoes soften, add spices. 1 teaspoon salt, 3/4 teaspoon chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Add pulled chicken and stir fry for a few minutes on low to medium heat. Add 1/2 teaspoon garam masala, allspice powder. Mix it well. It's almost done. Add 1/3 road cup yogurt. Add few shakes of black pepper. Mix and cover to cook for 5 minutes. Add green chilies and cover for a minute. Chicken ginger stir fry is ready. Add dry methi leaves 1 pinch. Garnish with cilantro and chilies or julienne cut ginger. Enjoy your delicious stir-fried ginger chicken with pita bread or rice. It will be a flavor to remember. Subscribe Flavor Island. Thanks.